Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the CapCut export failed issue on your phone in 2025. First of all, make sure your CapCut app is updated to the latest version. Next, check your storage space. If your phone is running low on storage, exports may fail. Try deleting some unnecessary files, photos or videos and then try exporting again. After that, check your video resolution and format settings. Sometimes choosing a very high resolution or frames rate may cause export errors. Go to the export settings and try lowering it to 1080p or 720p and then export again. Now, if it still doesn't work, try offloading the CapCut app on iPhone. For that, go to your Settings app, then tap on General followed by iPhone Storage. Here, find CapCut from the list of apps and tap on it. Finally, tap on Offload app and then reinstall it from the same screen. This removes temporary data without deleting your projects. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection if you're using features that require online processing like cloud templates or effects. Finally, restart your phone and try exporting again. And that's all. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the CapCut export failed issue in 2025.